Hello everybody, welcome back to Lions Family Farms. So today they said is the last day of the rain, and then the sun's gonna come out tomorrow, so that's pretty exciting. I just spent a good part of the morning here in the office catching up on some herd work, but now I'm gonna push hay up to the heifers and probably gonna go down to the shop and see where the day takes us. If you keep pushing this hay up, they just keep on eating it. Keeps them motivated to come up. Normally the cattle love boxes, but they didn't even touch that box. I threw it in yesterday. Bunch of boring heifers. Normally they would absolutely destroy it. They love it. I'm gonna get him. Look, unacceptable. Feathers everywhere. So I got the 7130 shield that I had off from chopping corn. I'm gonna put it back on now because that tractor is no longer gonna be the blower tractor. It's too weak. There we go. Next week we're planning to wrap some hay, some of the third crop. There would definitely be no chance of getting it dry. So we're gonna mow her down, wrap it. Let's go over here and look at these beans and see how bad off they are. If you've seen the previous video, I showed you they were sprouting. And yeah, not good. So we need to get them off. So that mat we cleaned out the other day, she got it loose now, so now we got to dig it out more and then re-anchor it, because cows just don't appreciate anything you do for them. Nah, man. Do that. Nah. They're destructive animals. Yeah, there's one over there. Yeah, wandering around. One's loose. She's seeing what she can destroy today. I see the cart laying on its side. That really puts me over the edge. Here, pick it up. Oh, that makes me mad. She had it so far back out here, it's all wrecked. Subscribe! Don't scare the cows, dude. It's too late. Dude, this ain't my first day on the job, no. About your freaking second. You're not very nice to me. Sorry, but not really. Don't bend that nail. You ruined it. Listen to him, guys. More mat cleaning out. It was a lot of fun. Alright, pick that up. Big dog. What I really wanted to do was take my second nap. But Adam, being the bossy guy that he is, here I am. I can't do it. Dude. There, how's that? So we're going to be bedding the stalls here this evening with lime and sawdust. So we're cleaning these mats out. Dave's going to anchor this down. I'm going to get rid of the pile we got out. And we'll be bringing the cows in soon. And then we'll let some more out tomorrow. Yeah. It's going to be better whenever they learn, but right now they've... It is a circus. Yeah, we let one out and she just kind of like... They actually want to stay in, which is kind of weird. But once we get them outside, they enjoy their time. these stalls are bedded up, ready for the cows. Now we're gonna go through and do the rest of the stalls like that. But it's nice to do it when the cows aren't in here. You can really spruce them up. Dave's going through and putting the lime in. I'm gonna keep on rolling with the shavings cart. Got the gate set up, got the shavings cart against the block in the hole. Go get her, big guy. All right. Come on, girl. Perfection, baby. Perfection. Snaps up. Yep. Okay. Shavings are done. Lime. Time to clean out the troughs because it's about time to feed again. I'm gonna go do all the rest of them, but you get the point. Cleaning out the refusals. Good job, Dave.
Thanks, buddy.
I did the short row, so we did a long one. One more section of trough to do. Filming.
Huh?
Need to fill them lime buckets up, dude.
I can't help that you were too lazy to cut this day from yesterday and didn't give me enough lime today.
That honestly is a true statement.
You guys don't even know what I'm dealing with around here. This guy named Adam.
I don't remember what happened yesterday.
It rained.
Yeah, look at that. It's raining again. I thought the rain was done. Gosh.
What the heck? What the crap?
I think we'd be combining soybeans maybe like this weekend, but probably not. It's next day, and I'm working on building our feed funnel out here right now. So with the Triticale, we're gonna have some ag bags. So I'm making a chute. We will be dumping into here. That's what I built this road for back in the summer. So I need to go get the grinder and a cutoff wheel and cut it off. I kind of got a plan written out. Most of it's just probably going to come from my head as I roll with it. I don't think it's going to be too awfully bad. Now you get about the scale it's gonna be. It's 8 foot. So now I need to go to Blaine Supply and get wood. The back piece is gonna be at a 90, and then this side's gonna be tilted out so we can dump it into it. The only reason I'm doing the back piece straight up is because the winch is back here and it'll get in the way. It'll be a hassle too. I don't want to buy new tires, but I'm gonna have to. Okay, we're back. I got 6 8-foot 2x4s, pressure treated obviously, so this holds up. So we're gonna take them down there. I'm gonna go get the saw, and my screws. Look at this, triticale going in the bed of my truck. So we got the back section all level with the help of David. Now it's time for lunch.
Yeah, and you know what? I have to buy his today.
Because I won the groundhog competition.
I'm sick.
It is a good day to be me.
I'm done going to lunch forever. Never buying it.
Let's go, big dog. Back after lunch, got the piece of steel cut. So this should go up here and be level. If it's not, I'm probably gonna be mad. Oh man, I left the screws I need in my truck. So we got the back done. Now tomorrow we'll build the front. Then this project will be done.